वनक्कम, मैं हैदर अली सैयद आसीवगम से यूनाइटेड अंडर तमिल शो.
Password to Sathyugam is SivaN the Pandiyan. SivaN in Tamil language means God representative on the earth. SivaN translated into Arabic means Khalifa. God appointed vice-current successive authority is the Pandiyan. Bull cunning means two horns refers to the bull. Bull is a symbol of the Pandiyans. Bull cunning also means king of two generations. First Pandiyan Sangam was established at Kumaari Kandam. Kumri means virgin. Kumaari Kandam is the first continent where Adam Eve set foot on. The cradle of civilization is Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka, a part of Kumaari Kandam. The Quran, the last reminder reminding about the straight path given to first Siddha Siva alias Seth the SivaN, Khalifa the Pandiyan. So the password to Sathyugam is SivaN the Pandiyan. The password to establish the kingdom of heaven on earth is SivaN the Pandiyan. You should not have any doubts about it. Remember, whenever there is decline in truth, some messenger come to remind about straight path. Quran, the last reminder reminding about straight path given by God to first Siddha. All messengers in all books reminds mankind about SivaN the Pandiyan and about straight path called Aaseevagam. Sathyugam only through SivaN the Pandiyan. Coming to the topic of Kalyugam. Kalyugam means when Kumri people in administration they astray from SivaN way of life called Aaseevagam. When Kumri people make the messengers as founder of truth, then they astray from straight path. The connecting point between Kumri people and the Mediterranean peoples was Noor alias Murugan alias Marduk. That's why one can find Marduk in Sumerian Babylonian civilization. Marduk is Noor alias Murugan. Murugan is a follower of SivaN. The astrayed people in administration from Kumri made Murugan as god of its people. Mahabharat war could be an internal war among the Pandiyans where one group who is with Aaseevagam first Siddha while the other groups of Pandiyan who wanted to replace SivaN with Marduk alias Noah alias Murugan to run the administration. Mahabharat war location is from Abu Hure civilization at Syria to Indus Valley civilization. Groups who are with SivaN are on truth, Sathyugam. Groups who are trying to make Murugan alias Noor alias Marduk as god of Kumri people and Mediterranean peoples are on falsehood, Kalyugam. Remember, Noor alias Murugan never brought any new religion but followed what God gave to first Siddha Siva alias Seth. Sathyugam password is SivaN the Pandiyan. Kalyugam runs in the name of Murugan alias Marduk alias Noah. Now let's talk about the coming to Greater Kalyugam. Greater Kalyugam started after the fall of Babylonian Empire. Around 550 BC Persian Empire came to power. People who supported them were children of Israel. Among Persian Empire there were Caucasian settlers also. Caucasian are from bloodline of Cain. Children of Israel gave their holy books to bloodline of Cain. To make children of Israel books suitable for people of Cain, the children of Israel distorted their book, killed their messengers and sold their own people in slavery. This way Abraham name became the connecting point between children of Israel and children of Cain. And we saw the rise of the Abrahamic religions. Remember, as people in administration among Kumri people are straight from straight path, so Abraham was tested and appointed to remind the God-guided path called Aaseevagam. Greater Kalyugam means people in power would follow the principles of Mitraism instead of Aaseevagam. The people in power would be controlled by the Caucasian Brahmins. The four beastly regime mentioned in Daniel chapter 7 coming at different timeline, they all maintain the policies of Mitraism. Now I will give you the conclusion and an example so you may understand the message of Aaseevagam first Siddha. Password to Sathyugam is SivaN the Pandiyan. Kalyugam runs in the name of Murugan alias Marduk alias Noah. There are two groups who wants to replace SivaN. They are one group wants to replace SivaN with Murugan, while other group they are also trying very hard for a long time to insert Rama as kumaari god. Which means they want to replace SivaN with Rama. Greater Kalyugam runs in the name of Abraham religion, where the children of Israel distorted their book, which reminds about SivaN the Pandiyan and reminds God-guided path called Aaseevagam. In Abraham religion they just delete the existence of SivaN the Pandiyan by distorting previous revelations such as Torah Gospel. One group of Abrahamic religion ignores Quran and follows Persian doctrine called as hadees. Abrahamic religions calls kumaari people kuldevam as house of devil. They call kumaari people as khafir. Abrahamic religions all out to end SivaN way of life called Aaseevagam. Sathyugam in the name of SivaN. Kalyugam in the name of Murugan. Greater Kalyugam in the name of Abraham. Now I will give you an example so you may understand. I would take Nam Tamilur Kachchi and its leader as an example so that you can understand how Kalyugam and Greater Kalyugam Sangam merged as one to suppress the Pandiyan Sangam. Nam Tamilur Kachchi promoting Murugan as Tamil god. This way he is protecting Kalyugam. They ignore SivaN the Pandiyan and ignores the Pandiyan Sangam. So Nam Tamilur Kachchi fall in the category of Kalyugam. Kalyugam group are the enemy of Sathyugam. Sathyugam password is SivaN the Pandiyan. Nam Tamilur Kachchi to come in power pampering one of the Abrahamic religion. They are trying to please Muslims so to get some vote from them. Abrahamic religions falls under the Greater Kalyugam lots. Greater Kalyugam runs in Abraham name and is not Nam Tamilur Kachchi pampering Greater Kalyugam. Nam Tamilur Kachchi leader himself is a Christian by faith, which comes under Abrahamic religions. Christian theology consider kumaari people kuldevam as house of devil. Nam Tamilur Kachchi a perfect example where we witness the Sangam of Kalyugam and Greater Kalyugam in one organization. They instead of working for the Pandiyan Sangam, Nam Tamilur Kachchi for some selfish gain is standing with people who wishes to end the Pandiyan Sangam and wishes to end first Siddha way of life called Aaseevagam. Aaseevagam is an ancient Tamil way of life, and in the name of Tamil nationalism they plan to end the Pandiyan Sangam. Siddha gives solutions. Protector of Luciferan gives hope, dream and fear. Remember the password to Sathyugam is SivaN the Pandiyan. Remember to enter the password to get access to the Pandiyan Sangam, age of Sathyugam.
Thank you.